Okay. The Great Indian Bustard's material will be shared, Afzal Raja. Definitely it will be shared. So ma'am will share it. Don't worry, you will get it then. So this time you're not going to have that for your cycle test, right? So don't be in a hurry. Definitely you will get it. You will get all the materials on time. Don't worry. Okay, so we have seen the simple present tense. So I don't think there's going to be any doubts there. Present continuous we have seen. We have even seen the past continuous, right? So have we completed everything from the past continuous, my dear children? I told you all the helping verb is going to be either was or were, along with verb plus ing is going to be the past continuous form. So the framing of it is going to be like that. And I hope we have completed everything, right? So let us discuss the answers alone. Let me tell the answers alone again. Mia was writing a poem, okay, when her mother called her. Mia was writing, because Mia is singular, right? The noun is in singular, so we are going to use the past form as was plus verb plus ing. So Mia was writing a poem when her mother called her. So that's how it comes. Is that clear? Have you all written it, my dear children? Okay, have you all written it? All right. Second one, the guard. Is the guard singular or plural, my dear children? The guard is singular or plural, ma? How many guards are there? Only one is there. So what are we supposed to use? Was waving. Okay, W-A-V-I-N-G, waving. Was waving the green flag when the porters collided. Got it? Question number 3. Okay. The baby. How many babies are there, my dear children? How many babies are there? Only one is there. So the baby was eating its meal when it spotted a squirrel. All right. Now look at the fourth question. It is in question form. So when it comes in question form, the helping verb comes in the front. Then comes your subjects here, you. The subject is what? You. And then comes the main verb. How are we going to use it? Sanjana, is it are there to be used, ma? We are talking about past continuous, right? Should we use are or where? So along with you, we use only where, right? So while using it, what you are going to use? Where, W-E-R-E. Were you looking for me yesterday is the correct answer, dear children. So be focused. Past means only past elements must be in your mind. That's very important, okay? Were you looking for me yesterday? Okay. Next question. While he dashed, someone took his laptop. Okay, they are talking about he. How many persons are there? Is it singular or plural, my dear? Yes, absolutely right. It is singular. So we are going to use was sleeping. Okay. While he was sleeping, someone took his laptop. Okay. What about the next one? Look at the subject. Is it singular or plural, my dear children? Is it singular or plural? Yes, singular. So he was planning to visit Agra, but changed his mind is the correct answer. Okay. He was planning to visit Agra, but changed his mind. Is that clear, my dear children? Are you all clear? Is there any confusion in understanding past continuous tense? Look at the framings of the sentence here. Mia was writing a poem when her mother called her. So this is also an interrupted action, right? So this is an interrupted action. She was writing a poem when her mother, as she was writing, her mother is calling her. She is interrupting her. So when it comes as an interrupted action, we use past continuous. Look at the next one. That is also an interrupted action. When the guard was waving the green flag, the porters collided. Okay. The guard was waving the green flag when the porter collided. So porters are colliding. Colliding means falling down when the guard is waving the thing. So this is a simultaneous action. Two actions taking place at the same time in the past. So that's how you have to understand it. Yes. Look at the third one. The baby was eating when it spotted a squirrel. As he was eating, his eating has been interrupted by spotting a squirrel. He all of a sudden he saw the squirrel. He stopped eating. Right. So that is also an interrupted action. Next one is not a problem. It's a very simple one. Look at the next one. While he was sleeping, someone took his laptop. Two actions taking place at the same time. This boy is sleeping. Someone has taken his laptop at the same time. Okay. And next one is an ordinary statement. This is how you will predict past continuous, my dear children. Please take a note of it whenever I say some clue. Otherwise, when you are learning it all together, all the 12 tenses together, definitely it is going to get confusing for all dear children. So please make it fast. Okay. Next one is going to be present perfect tense, my dear children. Present perfect tense. Okay. What we are supposed to use in present perfect? There are two helping verbs to be used here also. What are they? Can somebody tell me? What are the two helping verbs which are used for present perfect? Yes. One has been given by Govardhan as has. Very good, Navina. Navina has given both has and have. So these are the helping verbs used. Kanishka, can we use had there? Had, D is there. Already it is past tense, right? Had will never come in present perfect, my dear children. Make a note of it. Once again, if anybody says had, I'm going to scold you all. Definitely. Had is past perfect. Put that alone in your mind. Is that clear? For all plural forms, note my point. For all plural forms, we are going to use have. Got it? H-A-V-E, have. For all the singular form, we are going to use has. H-A-S, has. Only one singular word will come along with have. That is I. Whenever you use I alone, you have to use have. I have a pen. I have a book. So only that I alone in singular will go ahead with have. Is there any confusion in this, ma? First of all, this confusion has to be rectified. Otherwise, we can't do anything. Is that clear, my dear children? Is it clear? Is it clear? Okay. I hope you are not having any doubts. All right. Now let's look into the sentences. She dashed in New York all her life. Okay. She dashed in New York all her life. So what will be the answer? No, ma, we are not going to use any main verbs because the main verbs are not given there in the bracket, right? She has been in New York all her life. Has plus been, B-E-E-N. Okay. Yes, has been, as Kasturi Mahadevan has written, no? That's exactly how we are going to write it. She has been in New York all her life. Very good, Navina. Now look at the next one, second one. Mary dashed her notebook in the school bus. Has lost. ED will not come, Giona. Lost only. We don't have a word called losted. So only lost. Okay. Mary has lost her notebook in the school bus. Or even you can write like this. Mary has forgotten her notebook in the school bus. Or Mary has left her notebook in the school bus. Anything, any verb which is meaningful can be used there. Okay. Very good. Dusani, Afsal Raja. Very good. Question number 3. I dash in this company for a long time. I, when we use I, what we are going to use? Have only. I have been in this company for a long time. Or I have worked in this company for a long time is the correct answer. Is it clear? Is it easy or confusing, dear children? Is it easy or confusing? Okay, fine. Very good. Very good, my dear children. Okay, the next one. He dashed 2 books and is planning to write another one. He, very good, Salvia Angelin, very good. Fazil, only has will come there. Along with has, what is Kasturi Mahadevan says it as have. How can have come along with he, the singular? Adavan, how can have come along with singular? Ma? He is singular, right? Whatever comes with singular, we are going to use only has, right? That's what I have told you all, no? Special character in singular is going to be I. For that I alone, we are going to use have. For all the other things, we are not going to use have. We are about to use has. Okay. Singular means has. Put it in your mind. I want you all to be very clear with it, right? He has written, WRITTEN. He has written 2 books and is planning to write another one. Okay, next one. She dashed to Mumbai for a month. What will come there? She dashed to Mumbai for a month. Dusani, can you use went alone there? Went is simple past tense, right? She has gone to Mumbai for a month. Can come there. She has gone to Mumbai for a month is the correct answer. She has been to Mumbai for a month. Okay. Anyway, that is also accepted. She has been to Mumbai also can come there. Okay. All right. The last one. We dash a new car this week. Can we use left? Yes, absolutely. You can use left also. It's not an issue. Kasturi Mahadevan, have plus V3 only you have to use. Have bought only. Have buy will not come. So usage of have is correct. Bought will come there. Okay. We have bought a new car this week is the correct answer. Okay. Is there any confusion while using present perfect tense, my dear children? Is there any doubts? Are there any doubts, my dear children? Okay. Now see, my dear children. Next, we are going to move on to exercise E, right? Exercise E, we are about to see. What we are supposed to use here? We are going to use either simple past or past perfect tense. Simple past, we all know, no? Wherever you use ED, it's a simple past. Some places you might not use ED. Some places the verb will not be a straight verb. It will be an irregular verb. Say, for example, give will be changed into gave. It will not be changed into gived. Buy will be changed into bought in past tense. It will not be changed into buyed. That is also there. You'll have to be very careful with it. And while you are using past perfect tense, what will be the helping verb you will be using? What will be the helping verb used along with past perfect tense, ma? Past perfect tense. Very good, Fazil Ahmed. We are going to use had there. Very good, Giona and Sanjana. Had, H-A-D, had. Had plus verb, we are going to use there. Okay. Okay. Now another problem is there, my dear. How to identify which sentence is in simple past and which sentence is in past perfect? It is very simple, my dear children. I'll tell you all, wherever you have a clue word called yesterday or before, something like that and all, if you have those clue words, you will take it as simple past. Otherwise, it is going to be past perfect tense. Okay. Look at the sentence number 1. My aunt dashes to the zoo yesterday. Do we use simple past here or past perfect tense here? Your clue word is yesterday. So it is simple past, right? So what is the verb which we are going to use? We are going to use took only. Dusani, we are going to use only simple past here, ma. So took, T-O-O-K. Took is the past form of take. Okay. My aunt took us to the zoo yesterday is the correct answer. Okay. Angie dash a bag in the mall. What will be your answer, ma? Okay. Here you can use either simple past tense or past perfect tense here. You can simply tell it like this, ma. Angie lost her bag in the mail. If you write like that also, it is not a mistake. Even you can write like this also. Angie had lost her bag in the mall. Both the answers are correct. Okay. If I want to change it into past perfect tense, I will use had plus lost. No other one. Ed will not come. No Shweta. Had plus lost only. Losted. There is no word called losted. Got it? Had lost only. Okay. If I'm just putting it into simple past, I'll just write it simple as like this. Angie lost her bag in the mall. So you can use both the tense here. Is that clear, my dear children? Next question. After she dash, I found the key. See, the clue word is after. Whenever we have the word called after, please underline it in your book if you have that. So if at all you have after, definitely you have to use only past perfect tense there. Past perfect tense. Now tell me the answer, we'll see. After she had left. No, Giona. After she had left. Had left. Got it, my dear children? Plenty of you are typing it as left. I told you all no. Whenever you have before or after in a sentence, 100% it is going to be past perfect tense. Is that clear? The answer will be like this. After she had left, I found the key. No problem, Mohammed Idris. Don't worry. You are still in the learning curve only. Don't worry. Okay. Next question. I wash my clothes after. Look here, there is a word called after. After my friends dash. What will be your answer? Very good, Giona and Sanjana. Very good, Safa Mariam. Caleb. Very good, my boy. Salvia, we got the clue word after, right? When after is there, what we are supposed to use? Past perfect tense only we are going to use. Okay, Salvia. I think there is not going to be any confusion for you. Okay. Had gone. Had gone is the right answer. I washed my clothes after my friends had gone. Is it clear, dear children? Okay, next one. Mother dash a delicious lunch for us. Very good, Giona. Here we don't have any before or after or anything there. So we can just use it here. Okay, cooked. 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 Okay, there was a message that we didn't do page number 12 in course book. Okay, ma. I'll just check it and I will tell it. If it is necessary, definitely we'll do it. Page number 12, we have done. That exercise alone we didn't do it. Compound adjectives. Okay, no problem. We'll do it. Okay. Next one, dear children. Let's look at the next question. She dashed her company before 1985. Yes, both the answers are correct, Yamma. You can use either simple past tense as established, or you can use also had established. Rajeshwar, established will not come because ed must be there because we are talking about past form. Okay, simple past and past perfect. Had established or established, both are correct there. Okay, next one. He dashed in Barcelona in 2000. Very good, Salvia Angelin. Lived. 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 He lived in Barcelona in 2000. Okay, next one. The teacher dash us if we dash for the test. Asked is correct now. The teacher asked, ASKED, asked us if we had studied. If we studied or if we had studied, both are correct there at this particular place. Well, don't worry about it. Okay. All right. Is there any doubts here, my dear children? Are there any doubts here? Okay. We still have plenty of grammar to be seen. So don't worry. We'll quickly look into the preposition part and then we will go on to the grammar workbook and we are supposed to do something. I'll tell you all what to do and when to do and where to do. Got it? Okay. Let's move on to the pronunciation part. See here, regular verbs in simple past end with ed. Yes or no? Regular verbs, I told you, no, walked will be changed into walked. So that's how it will come. But there are three different ways of pronouncing such words. There are three different ways of pronouncing it. Sometimes you will get the it sound. Say, for example, we don't say walked. Will we say walked, washed? We don't say that, right? Yes or no? Walked. What will be the ending sound? It sound. T sound will be there. Walked, washed. It sound is coming. Yes or no? So now what we are supposed to do is there are a bunch of words here. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 into 3, 21 words are there. We are going to find out which all comes under it sound. It is not T, it is it sound. Which all comes under id sound, id, D sound. And another one is id, ID sound. So I'll tell you all can write the words. You can, if you have your book, you can write it there directly, or you can take your classwork and mark these symbols, my dear children. Now you all don't use any pencils for drawing line. After writing it, you can exactly put a tabular column like this, right? Okay. T sound. What all come under T sound? What all comes under D sound? And what all comes under it sound? That's what we are going to see. Liked. Liked comes under which side, ma? Liked. We will not say it as liked. T sound. Very good, Dasani and Giona. You all can write it below T. Write that word liked. Liked. That has to be written there. Very good, very good. Second one, washed. Washed. Once again, T sound only. You are going to write it below the T sound as washed. WASHED. Okay. Lived. Lived. Yes, Dosani, very good. D sound. D sound. So below D sound, you're going to write lived. Okay. Walked. Walked. We don't say walked, right? Walked. Walked comes under T sound. So please write it below T. Walked. Played. Played. Played comes under D sound. D sound. D. Not ID. Not ID. Not ID. Only D. It's very simple now when pronouncing. Did you get any id sound? ID is id sound, right? Wanted. ID sound will come there. Okay, don't worry. So played. Played comes under D sound. Please write it below D sound. Next is watch. Watched. Watched. Watched comes. Kanishka, watched comes under I did. Watched. Will you pronounce it as watched? Watched. T sound. Below T sound, you're going to write watched. Looked. Looked. You can predict it with my pronunciation itself. Looked. Once again, T sound. See, it will end as looked. You can say looked or looked. We don't say that, no? Okay, next word, enjoyed. Enjoyed. D sound. D sound. Enjoyed. Below D, you can write. Listened. Listened. D sound. D sound. Somebody says it's T sound. Can we say it as listened? We don't say it as listened, right? Listened. D sound. It ends with D sound. Arrived. Arrived. Arrived comes under D sound. D sound. Not ID sound. Okay. Jumped. Jumped. See the ending word t. If it ends with it is T. Okay. Jumped. Okay. Talked. Talked. Talked comes under T sound. It sound comes there means talked. Okay. Painted. Now look at the sound. Painted. ID sound is coming there. Yes or no? Are you able to pick it carefully? Painted comes under ID sound. Okay, ID sound. Fainted. Fainted. ID sound. Once again, ID sound. Fainted. You can put it there. Danced. It. Danced. Danced comes under it sound. T sound. T. Surender says D. Salvia Angelin says D. I don't know for which word you all are saying. Anyway, danced comes under T sound, right? Waded. Waded. Waded comes under ID. It sound. Waded. Okay, next word. Traveled. Traveled. How can it come under ID sound, ma? D sound only will come there. Traveled, D sound. Touched. Not ID, Tanishka. Touched. 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 Yes, it sound. T sound. Okay. Touched is T sound. Picked. Picked. Picked comes under T sound. Picked. Okay. Picked comes under T sound. Borrowed. Borrowed. The D sound is coming there, right? Borrowed. Okay. Last word. Chatted. Chatted. ID sound is coming there. Yes or no? Okay. That's how it goes on. Is there any doubts, my dear children? Any doubts with this? I hope it is very simple for you all, the pronunciation part. Okay. So these spelling words, I don't think you all need to go ahead with plenty. Here are some words related to animal kingdom. They have been spelled incorrectly. Write the correct spelling for the words. So it's very simple, I think so. Poaching. In poaching, that E is not going to come there. Okay? E. P-O-A-C-H-I-N-G. Feline. A will not come there. F-E-L-I-N-E is the spelling for feline. Camouflage. What is the spelling for camouflage? Yes, Trinity. C-A-M-O-U-F-L-O-U-G-E. Let me repeat. C-A-M-O-U-F-L-O-U-G-E. Camouflage. Okay. Migratory. That E will not come there, my dear children. That E will not come there. Oh, arboreal is there, right? A-R-B-O-R-E-A-L. A-R-B-O-R-E-A-L. That's arboreal. Arboreal. Migratory. Migratory. M-I-G-R-A-T-O-R-Y. Migratory. Got it? Nocturnal. What is the spelling of nocturnal? N-O-C-T-U-R-N-A-L. N-O-C-T-U-R-N-A-L. Okay, next one. Polymorphose. Polymorphose. P-O-L-Y-M-O-R. P-O-L-Y-M-O-R. P-H-O-S-E. P-O-L-Y-M-O-R. P-H-O-S-E. Venomous. What is the spelling of venomous? V-E-N-O-M-O-U-S. Yes, Salvia Angelin, you are right. Polyphos is you are given. Okay. Venomous is V-E-N-O. Tanishka. V-E-N-O-M-O-U-S is venomous. Only we have a writing part there. Are you able to understand, my dear children? In the next class, we will just look into the grammar part. So I want you all to have this book in your hand. Got it? So this is the book. Well, you all would have got this book. Some of you all might be expecting to get it. Anyway, I'll share that in the Google Classroom very soon with the help of ma'am. So I'll get it and share it to you. Okay? Thank you very much.